Here's how I'm converting my R8 coil from VAG fitment to Miata fitment. Slide off the collar. That. Gonna ruin it. Flatten it out. Go just a hair over 3 inches even here. You know what? I'm gonna make the end cut a little more. Make sure the end's straight. It'll help. You'll see why. Make it nice and straight. Back off to that hair over 3.1. Hair over 3. Just a bit. Oh, flip it over after you cut it straight. So your good end you keep. Now it's all lined up. Just like 3.01, 3.02 maybe. Doesn't matter too much. Who knows? Cut it flat. All right, here we go. That'll fit here with the ribbed sides down. Like that. Pretty good. Ends meet. Then you take, this is an 18 Buna 70 durometer O-ring. I'm just going to use 3 of them. It seems to work pretty well. If the 3 inches doesn't work for you, you can cut it down to, or just a hair over 3 doesn't work. I've been making most of them at 3. Just slide the O-rings down. They fit in some of the pre-made grooves on these coil packs. You do one at the bottom, and it won't go down in the hole. The little flaps before it will. And the top I just give 2 to give it more strength. Then I use some O-ring lube to hold them in. Or, sorry, O-ring lube to assemble them. Makes it easier to go together down in the holes. And they are super secure. They won't rattle back and forth. You don't need to, you know, you can buy a fancy aluminum bracket or, you know, who knows what else is out there to do this on these. But they stay nice. Pop in. Here we go. Let's go see how it looks. Don't mind my ugly wires. And when there's O-ring lube on there, those will shoot right in and keep it from moving around. And they stay down pretty tightly on the coil, on the spark plug. But until you do that, they don't glide in easy. So any, you know, maybe a little WD-40, I don't know. It won't ruin the grommets, but I think it's all pretty chemically compatible. That's it. Oh, sorry. Let's just stay this way.